Nanamalari. Ask Aunty.
Yes.
Aunty Munya. The question today relates to colours and are there, how are different colours expressed in Aboriginal languages?
Well, once again, colour depends on which nation we're talking about, but colours are an expression of our lives and our culture, and the main point to bear in mind is that colours are not neutral, that they have specific meaning to the local people. Red in particular is a very sacred colour because it's the colour of ochre, and that's used in law business and ceremonies and so forth. So even if you're publishing brochures and that for Indigenous people, I always say go easy on the red because it is a sacred colour. Use it sparingly. So it's just a matter of being aware with the local people what colours are significant to them. And again, Torres Strait Islander people have different colours that are important to them, as we can see in both the Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander flags, the individual flags, with their emphasis on different parts, or different colours, I should say. As you know, we have in the Aboriginal flag, yellow for Mother Sun, who gives us life, black for the colour of our people walking on the red earth. Torres Strait Islander people, as one would imagine, being made up of a number of islands, the ocean is very significant to them, so that colour of the ocean blue is very, very significant, as is green. It's lush and verdant up there in that Torres Strait Islander country. And in the centre you have the dari, which is white, and white, as in Aboriginal culture, is all about purification, but that white represents the dari, the headdress that Torres Strait Islander people use in their ceremonies and dance. So yes, you can see those colours have particular meaning when associated with certain cultural objects and things. So again, just a matter of talking to your local communities, finding out from them which colours should be emphasised or which you should use less of. Hope that helps.
Nyirigogona.
Nyirigogona.